Today I'm going to compare the 3 most popular shoe storage solutions on Amazon. I tested all 3, bought all 3. I definitely have some opinions. You can't really go wrong with either one of these. It's just going to come down to personal preference. I'm going to show you the pros, the cons, everything I like, everything I don't like. This one right here is the Aoki right over here. This one over here is going to be the Space Aid, and this one is the 7 code. So a couple things right off the bat here. The Aoki one, you're gonna get 2 of these. So you're gonna get you could get a 1-pack if you want, but you get 2. You get different colors if you wanted different colors in this. Same with the Space Aid, you're gonna get 2 of those if you want. You get 2 of these. And this one, you're going to get 6 clear containers. This one does require some assembly. So you're going to have to put these together, but it's pretty easy. It takes about 2 minutes. These right over here literally fold down, fold out, and you are good to go. So let's go over some of the things right over here. So the Aoki one, we'll start with this one. This one is 17 by 17 by 12. It does have different compartments here. So if you wanted to change the dimensions, you could definitely do that just like that. If you had smaller pairs of shoes right over here, you could pop that out. So like if you had a pair of flats just like this, you could easily just slide them in just like that. If you had a bigger pair of slippers right over here, you could easily just shove those in, no problem. You don't have to worry about that. This is kind of more on the other side. I kind of have it organized like that. You got a pair of UGG boots in there as well. We have handles on both sides of these. So we have a handle over here, and then we have another one over here. So if you wanted to kind of like drag this along, you could do that. Or if you kind of wanted to hold it both just like this. Like the fact that this is clear and this does zipper. So this zippers all the way down. So you can see exactly what's in here. So if you're just putting winter shoes or something like that in there, you could do that. The Space Aid one we'll do next. So this is the Space Aid one right over here. Very similar to the Aoki 17 by 17 by 12. This is how it comes right in here. You would get 4 separate compartments. You don't have the option like the Aoki one to just have a square. These do come out as well. So these are adjustable. So you could pop that down just like that. So you could get anywhere from 16 to 32 pairs in each one of these, which is a big difference. So you could see that. You could do all sorts of different configurations with this one right over here. This one has the clear plastic as well. I will say the zipper is much better on this one than it is on this one. The zipper works fine. The one on the Aoki is just much smoother compared to the Space Aid one. And we have handles on each side over here. Again, you could clearly see through whatever you want. Now we have this one right over here. This one's a little different. So this one's a little different. These are stackable. You're going to get 6 of these. I have one behind me. I'll show you that in a second. These will require assembly about 2 minutes. None of these have any tools. This opens up really easily just like this. This is a pair 13 men's shoe right over here. And they actually do fit in here, which I was kind of surprised. Not much room after that. So 13 might be the max on these. You can kind of see up close over here. Kind of snug right over there, but it's closed, so you don't have to worry about that. These are going to be 13.5 by 10.5 by 7.2. So pretty much you can only get 1 pair of shoes in each of these. Maybe a second if you have a different kind of shoes. These are also good for hats. Like for example, if you put these flats in here, you would see you could definitely get more of these in here. You just like stack them up just like this. Obviously you may be able to get even 2 more pairs in here, or if they were just kind of down just like this, you'll see maybe you get another pair or something like that, or you could stack on top of them. So it doesn't really, definitely depends. The cool part about these two are they're super versatile. So you could easily store purses in here as well. So you'll see here, I have a purse in this one over here. This is I wouldn't say a huge purse, but definitely a bigger purse, and it fits inside here no problem. So you have some different storage options here. If you wanted to do shoes, if you wanted to do purses, you could do hats, and these do stack on top of each other. So you could easily maneuver however you want. If you wanted like kind of 2 on the side, 1 on top, you do get 6 of them, so you can configure it however you want. So those are kind of the 3 different options. So I would say this code 7 ones, if you want different options, different configurations, you want to be able to put purses in here, you want to be able to stack things, you want to be able to put hats and stuff like that, or you're kind of more into just putting single shoes into here. Maybe you have collectible shoes, stuff like that. These are probably going to be the best bet for you. These are super durable. Again, you get up to like a size 13 in there. So maybe if you're over size 13, you might want to look into one of these options over here, because you're definitely going to have some different configurations that you could do. So I would say this is a good fit if you have multiple shoes. Same with the Space Aid one over here. I kind of like the Aoki one over the Space Aid one, just because I said before the zipper closes a little bit easier. The bottom is a little nicer. And the divider, you could start out as a square, and you have the extra handles over here, and we got a pouch over there as well. And then yeah, you got the Space Aid one over here. Again, can't go wrong with any one of these. But I would say if you want variety, be able to do multiple things, definitely the 7 code one, and kind of for more collectible stuff. And then I would go with the Aoki one, number 2. If you're kind of looking for something else, and the Space Aid number 3. I hope you found this helpful and that you find the best shoe organizer for you.